Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Motorcycle. Uh, One of the last parts of our drag bike that we're parting out here is this is an OEM Z1r Fuel Tank. It's made out of metal, but it came off the 74 Z1 that we're restoring. But as you can see, they cut the bottom of it out to fit the frame. I don't know if you can do anything with this or not, or it'd be a good man cave item, or a good shell, or a good start to build something out of. I know these tanks are getting very dear. We're going to put this on eBay for $49.95, no reserve. Local pickup is okay. Just it's a drag bike, and it's got an extra hole here and there, and the whole bottom is cut out. Now we got this. This is all gooned here out, but we got the holes here, but anyway, here's the strap that goes on the front to hold it on the bike. It still has the mounting tabs on the bottom here, where it goes on the fork, right there. We are going through the bike right now, and just for kicks, we'll show you this. It has the fender here that's been drilled, and a big hole in it because the guy wanted to keep his bike cool. Just thought I'd show you that. This is not for sale. We're using this to restore a bike. But anyway, that's where you go. All right, well, thanks for looking, and good luck.